God, this is it. Bye bye, old hair. You were good to me. But I think you and I are done. Oh no, they all look the same, or is it just me? He'll think I'm unsure. I hope this red isn't too loud. I don't want to look like a red light. What if I start losing my hair after getting it colored? What is that extra thing he's mixing? Should I ask him? It's been an hour. I'm feeling hungry. I want to scratch. Can't wait to reveal my new hair color on Instagram and Facebook. Not in my ears. Not in my ears. Oh my God, I can sleep here forever. I'm ready for the final look. I am never washing my hair. Oh my God, I look amazing. I love it.